how to make money on YouTube, or actually earn $7,800 according to Social Blade. That's what this channel is actually making. My dog is getting upset over it. If you're making $7,800 per month, that's $260 per day. What would you do with an extra $260 per day? Well, you can decide that after I tell you the channel and the method it's using to grow so fast and make so many views, which are equivalent to dollars, because that's the currency we now have as YouTubers. Views equal money, cheddar. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And if you are new, me and my team, I have 2 video editors. We record and upload over 3 videos a day, and our goal is to upload over 100 videos per month, and we're actually on track to do it in the next 2 weeks. So if you want to see no BS tutorials, they're just like 3-4 minutes long, not 20-30 minute long videos. Make sure you subscribe for multiple make money online methods per day, and also like this video for the YouTube algorithm. There's a riddle actually in the first comment down below. Check it and try to answer it, and I'll shout you out. Also, if you comment your Instagram username, TikTok username, YouTube account, because you're awesome, I'll just take your comment, I'll put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, so this channel in the last 30 days, right, that's 30 days, is generating on average weekly, according to Social Blade, right? Before I tell you the name of the channel, you gotta know this is not financial advice, this is not medical advice, this is for entertainment purposes only, this is my research, blah blah blah. This channel could be making less or more than that, and you're not guaranteed to have the same results. Full disclaimer. So it got 2,000 subscribers, new subscribers, 2 million views, and it's generated, according to Social Blade, up to $7,800. If they have an RPM like me, that's absolutely possible. And they've been doing that successfully for like 3 years now, since 2017, as you can see here. The channel name is actually ABIZENT Buzz, and what it does is basically they gather images on their channel. They say they are submitted by email, or they're available in various places like Pinterest, Instagram. They're Creative Commons images, and they basically create music, some facts about music artists that they like around them. So they will take an image, for example this one, right, and they will have text. So you have something like a slideshow, as you can see here, and then text with a story about or news that you found about the music artist and something like this. I actually like this method so much that I'm thinking about making a channel similar to this one, but obviously about other genres that I'm mostly interested. And this video actually was getting like 2,000 comments. It got 2,400 comments, 25k likes. So their audience is very low, they like the videos, and this channel only does like 9 videos. I can tell you right now, 9 videos will take me like a day to make. They're really easy, and they only have 159 videos to make 80 million views. If they have an RPM like me around $4, because I have some Instagram videos, obviously the make money online and YouTube videos are making way more. Let's say they're making $4 per 1,000 views. 80 million and 600 views are basically 8,600,000. Then you have 3 zeros, so you just multiply that by 4, and you can see they might have made over 300 grand from their videos, which is pretty significant. Even in the span of 3 years, right, there's over 100 grand per year. I don't know if they were always monetized. I don't know what copyright issues they had, how they planned out their channel, but judging from their about section, they know what they're doing. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. Remember that the video they keeps the doctor away. This is not financial medical advice. Check this one or this one, one of these 2 videos. I'll personally check this one, or maybe this one. Bye.